Hi, good morning. Hi guys, good morning. Kamusta na kayo? This is Isa Owens of the Pinay in the UK. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope you find it entertaining. So, andito na po ako sa Philippines. This is my 4th day. Nakakaapat na araw na ako dito sa hotel quarantine facility. So, eto, still smiling. Of course, it's boring kasi you're on your own, mag-isa ka lang. Pero, depende naman sa personality mo. I always find something to do. And, yeah, I occupy myself. And, it's okay. It's good. It is what it is. So, you just have to deal with it. I want to share with you, what it's like really at the quarantine place. I am so blessed that the hotel that I'm staying in is spacious and clean. The staff are friendly. So, and I have a balcony, I have a view, so I have that outside extension. So, hindi ako masyadong sakal na sakal. So, when I have time, I go out, silip-silip. Hello world! So, I'm almost halfway to my quarantine and then I'll be able to go home. So, here is my 10 days quarantine experience that I want to share with you. Teka, I've just heard the doorbell rang. So, it must be my food. Dali ah. Look. Delivery. Ah. Tingnan mo oh. There are chairs. Maraming upuan sa labas. Sa labas ng kwarto.
Sa upuan papasok?
Oo. Pati ibang mga room oh. So this is my dinner. Oops. So, this is my first dinner. My quarantine meal. Looks like I've got soup. Ano to? Ay, bangus. Tapos merong parang dessert. I think it's
Anong luto na bangus?
it's like fried fish. Tapos dessert like rice cake. Tapos rice and a bit of salad. Okay, let's try it kung masarap. So here you get plastic fork and spoon. What is happening to our world? Is this the new travel now? My goodness me. So it's a typical Filipino food. Let me try the sinigang. I assume it's sinigang. Let me try the soup. The soup. Okay naman, masarap naman siya. Malasa. It's not too bad. So, let me try the bangus. Looks like it's a crispy bangus. It's a fish, fried fish. I'm using my fingers. Fish bone. Okay, right. So this is my first quarantine meal, my dinner. Okay, let me finish it and I'll let you know It's really like. Hi, good morning. I'm so jet lag. So, pasensya na. Excuse the look. Um, they left breakfast this morning outside my door. Where's the light? Light. That is the breakfast. Oy, looks good. A typical Filipino breakfast. Madilim. Fried eggs, fried rice, hot dog, and fruits. There's a tuna fish. So, it's been left outside this morning because I've overslept. It's now 12 in the afternoon. So I'm not gonna eat that because it looks good. Mukhang masarap siya, but because I overslept, I won't eat that. They just few minutes ago they've delivered my lunch. And here's the lunch. Again, may soup siya. Dito tayo maliwanag. Meron siyang soup. Meron siyang, what is this? I don't know what it is. Let's put it here. Some kind of pork. So again, rice. Super starter, rice, and I think that's the dessert. So, breakfast and lunch. The building here. I think this is part of the hotel, this one. So, ayan ang view ko. Hello! Hello, Philippines! Hello, Clark! Asan yung bahay ko? It's somewhere out there. Good morning, everyone! Let me show you my room, my quarantine room. So this is from the balcony. So I have a small sala here, small living room, which is okay because I'm not entirely locked in a small room. So I have this space to, to sit. I've got TV. There's a desk where I could do some work. A small dining table. Table for one. So I've got the fridge, small fridge. Okay. There's a kettle for hot water. They give you this gallons of water to drink. That's a drinking water. That's the entrance. And there's me. Oh dear. Bathroom. There's the shower cubicle. And this is the bathroom. There's all my stuff. There's me. Hi. here is my bedroom. I've got a big bed, which is nice. And that's the window there. So the bed is good. It's comfortable. I've done my COVID-19 self-test kit again. So I did this before I left the UK, and I've done another one just now. First day in the Philippines, and it says negative. As you see there, just one bar. So there you go. No COVID-19. I'm COVID-19 free. So like I said early on, I want to do my own testing apart from the one that Philippine Bureau of Quarantine sending here at the hotel on my 7th day, which is I'm 5 days away from them coming over here to do the COVID-19 testing. And yeah, it's an independent laboratory. Anyways, here you go, negative. And I don't understand why it takes 2 days to get your result after they've done the testing, which is really, it only takes half an hour. It's called rapid test for a reason, yeah. Anyways, you have to follow the protocol. I'm not in a position to question why they're doing what they're doing. This hotel cost me 27,000 peso, which is about 420 pounds for 9 nights, 10 days quarantine, and on top of the airfare. So really, it's not cheap coming home to the Philippines with all this travel restriction. Having said that, the hotel is quite full. So, you know, being Filipino, we just want to be with our family. It doesn't matter how much it costs, kahit magkautang-utang na tayo, sige lang. Because we love our family. We miss our family. That we're entitled to that. So, bahala na. Basta lang makauwi. Anyways, this is my first day, and we'll see how it goes. I'll keep you posted. So stay tuned. Subscribe if you haven't done so. Para masaya naman. Para it motivates me to keep posting. Kasi it's hard work, ha? Becoming a YouTuber, it's hard work, especially when you're a newbie. And the hardest part is actually editing the videos. Kasi you don't want it too long, and you don't want it too short. You really want to share some information, and hopefully it's also entertaining. I don't know if I'm entertaining, but here I am, back in the Philippines. Can't wait to see my boy and my dog. Okay, you guys take care, stay safe, see you soon.